In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a template in Mailchimp from a campaign. This process is particularly useful if you've crafted an email campaign that you're really proud of and you'd like to use its design as a starting point for future campaigns. Here's a straightforward guide to help you save your campaign as a reusable template. To kick things off, log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, head straight over to the campaign section. This is where all your past and current campaigns are stored and organized, so it's your one-stop shop for all campaign-related tasks. Now you have two choices. You can either open an existing email campaign that you've already sent out, or you can create an entirely new one if you're starting from scratch. In either case, you'll next find yourself in the email builder. This is the tool that lets you design your email to look exactly how you want it. Spend some time here to ensure your email reflects the message and style you're aiming for. You can play around with colors, fonts, images, and other elements until you're completely satisfied with the way it appears. Once all your tweaks are made and you're happy with the final version, it's time to save your hard work. Look for the option labeled Save as Template. If you're working within the Classic Builder, this option can be found by clicking on the drop-down menu at the top. Once you spot it, click on Save as Template. This is a crucial step because it ensures that your current design becomes a reusable template, saving you valuable time in the future. A dialog box will pop up prompting you to name your template. Choose a name that is both descriptive and easy to remember so you can quickly identify this template when you need to use it again. Remember, a good naming system can save a lot of time later on, especially if you have multiple templates saved in your account. After you've named your template, go ahead and click Save. And that's it. Your campaign is now safely stored as a template within your Mailchimp account. The next time you want to create a similar campaign, you can simply select this template to get a solid head start. With these steps, you now have all the tools you need to efficiently save and reuse your email designs, keeping your communications consistent and professional. This Mailchimp feature is a real game changer when it comes to streamlining your email marketing strategy. Thanks for watching, and I hope this makes your email campaigns much easier to manage.